Hey everyone, so here is GasBuddy app. This is the official app and it's in top charts in US App Store due to some issues, I think to colonial gas attacks or something like that. But anyways, to install it, just tap on get and yeah, you can use your Touch ID or Face ID and it's a free app and you can just install it. So 163 megabytes and it has more than 90 million users. So you can find the best prices with the gas map, track driving habits, get gas rewards, report gas prices, and you can get the free GasBuddy fuel card and save on every gallon. So yeah, the idea basically is that with this app you can just discover all the gas stations around you. So yeah, if you tap open, then you can just select your country and yeah, continue with creating an account.